We're live.
We
Hi,
are hi. We are Group 211, the Inconsistencies.
I'm
Trademark.
Jesse, and
Cameraman.
this
I'm
is Landon.
Landon.
And our third member, Jeremiah, was unable to make it to the second day of hackathon. Coming together last minute with no knowledge of who each other were, Landon, Jeremiah, and I formed a group for our very first hackathon. Two first years and the third year with basic knowledge, we learned a vast majority of information, including new coding languages, different frameworks needed for this website, how to get a concept for running a server on the back end to empower the front end, how to apply the beginnings of visually satisfying graphics, and how to apply assets and resources from online resources to our project.
When we first arrived, we were unsure of where to start. We decided to round table ideas and select one that encompassed interests we all shared. Data collection, culture, and food, particularly. Our website, Global Recipes Guru, allows people from all over the globe to find and share different recipes and will impact the world by bringing them together through the love of food.
Using an online database, people can enter and submit their own recipes for their favorite foods, while simultaneously allowing other users to find and locate recipes in a global scope, straight down to the country of origin.
The biggest problems we ran into were setting up a working server that would properly communicate to the scripts on our project file and getting specific graphics to properly display on our website. This graphic was mainly just the spinning globe you see in the center of the web page. And in terms of creating a working server, we never fully got that resolved. We did get a working server. We did get a server set up, but it didn't properly communicate with our scripts, which is, as we explained earlier.
This is a bit of a challenge that we had to face through.
So yeah, the idea is you search for any location here. It attempts to find it on this map and zoom in on the location, and it'll display here a list of different cuisines that you
Are in that region or in that country or in that in the city in that particular part of that country where you're wanting to locate. Currently, this project is a bit conceptual at the moment, but just for basics, you search for a cuisine and it will pull up in like you search for a cuisine in a certain location and it will pull up a whole list of popular foods from that location.
and we even have a feature where you can enter your own cuisines from your own local region, and it'll upload it to a database of where everyone else's uploaded foods are and include it along with all the other foods that you can search for. Well,
That can
that concludes our project. I hope you
and
liked it.
thank you and have a good day.